Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 18V Dewalt batteries is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your Dewalt power tool collection, impacting everything from runtime to overall performance. This video will dive deep into the world of Dewalt's 18V battery lineup, helping you choose the perfect battery for your needs and budget, covering different amperage hour ratings, battery technologies, and compatibility across various Dewalt tools, ensuring you get the most out of your cordless power tools. Number 5. Dewalt DCA 1820 Battery Adapter. This adapter lets you use your 20V max * lithium-ion batteries with most of your 18V Dewalt tools. It's a simple solution for expanding your tool's capabilities. It works with 20V max * Dewalt batteries, but remember to use your 20V max * Dewalt charger. It's not compatible with premium Dewalt batteries in DC 970 or DC 759 tools, nor with 20V 60V FlexVolt batteries. This adapter is designed to work with 1.5 Ah, 2.0 Ah, 3.0 Ah, 4.0 Ah, and 5.0 Ah XR 20V max * batteries. Make sure to check your battery specifications before use. Upgrade your 18V tools with the power of 20V max * batteries. It's a cost-effective way to increase your tool's runtime and performance. Get more done with your Dewalt tools. This adapter opens up possibilities by letting you use a wider range of batteries. It's a great addition to any Dewalt user's collection. What we like. This adapter lets you use your existing 20V max * batteries with most of your 18V Dewalt tools. However, it does require a 20V max * Dewalt charger. If you have a collection of 20V batteries and want to use them with your older 18V tools, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The adapter fit my 18V tool like a glove. There was no fuss or need for any modifications. It snapped into place securely, ensuring that my jigsaw could now benefit from the newer 20V lithium-ion batteries. Over the past few months, this adapter has performed flawlessly. There's been no noticeable power loss or any issues with battery life. It maintains the charge well, and the jigsaw operates just as effectively as it did with its original battery setup. Batteries fit snug just as they would going into original equipment, no connection issues, seem to be very well made, no complaints, would highly recommend. Number 4. Powerextra 18V Battery. This is the Powerextra 18V battery, designed to power your Dewalt tools. It's a direct replacement for several popular Dewalt models. It boasts a 4,500 mAh capacity, providing long-lasting power for your projects. Enjoy extended runtime without worrying about running out of juice. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Dewalt 18V cordless tools. Check the product description for a complete list of compatible models. It's built with top-grade NMH cells and includes multiple safety features. These protect it from overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Experience reliable and consistent power. It's designed to deliver peak performance every time you use it. For optimal performance and longevity, store it in a cool, dry place away from heat and metal objects. Keep it clean and ready to use. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you get the most out of your new battery. What we like. This battery boasts a massive 4,500 mAh capacity, giving you extended runtime on a single charge. It's compatible with a wide range of Dewalt tools. If you need a long-lasting, reliable replacement battery, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. They both fit the charger just like the originals, took a full charge and snapped into the drill just as I would expect them to. The release worked fine as well, and the drill runs at full speed and torque. These 4.5 Ah batteries are an upgrade given that my dying 2 Ah batteries lacked the power to drive long screws. Received new batteries yesterday to replace original DC 9096 bought a few years ago. Both of these arrived at 19.4V. Was a struggle to force into original Dewalt charger and hard to remove. They did charge and top off at 21V, outstanding. Checked 24 hours later and still holding at 20 volts. Number 3. OHYES Dewalt Replacement Battery. Tired of your Dewalt tools running out of power? This high-capacity battery provides extended runtime, keeping you working longer. It boasts a 4,500 mAh capacity, significantly more powerful than standard NICD batteries. Experience increased efficiency and longer operation. These batteries are built to last. They're lighter than standard NICD batteries and offer a longer runtime, making your work easier. It's compatible with a wide range of Dewalt 18V tools, including models DC9096, DC9098, DC9099, and more. Simply replace your old battery and get back to work. You'll receive two 4.5-hour replacement batteries and a user manual. Everything you need to get started is included. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support. Contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. Get two high-capacity 4,500 mAh batteries for double the runtime. These are lighter than standard NICD batteries, reducing fatigue during extended use. If you need extra power and convenience, this 2-pack is ideal for you. What people say. These batteries are just like the original that came with the Dewalt OHYES, which is at least 10 to 15 years old. Works great, delivered with a full charge. Perfect fit for my old Dewalt drill, saw, etc. They seem to hold a charge for quite a while. Number 2. 2-pack 18V Dewalt replacement battery. This package includes two replacement 18V batteries and a replacement charger. It's designed to work with a wide range of Dewalt tools. These batteries are fully compatible with many Dewalt 18V cordless power tools. They minimize downtime, keeping you working efficiently. They offer a higher capacity than standard batteries, providing longer runtimes. This also improves the overall lifespan of the battery. The charger has a smart LED indicator that shows the charging status. It also has built-in safety features to prevent damage. This charger replaces the Dewalt DC9310 model. It charges all Dewalt 7.2V to 18V NICD NMH batteries, so you only need one charger for multiple tools. We offer a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Our customer support is available 24/7 to answer any questions. Let them cool down before recharging after extended use. Store them in a cool, dry place away from heat and metal objects. No light means it's plugged in but not charging. Flashing red means it's charging, solid red means it's fully charged, and rapidly flashing red indicates a problem with the battery. What we like. This 2-pack comes with a bonus charger, minimizing downtime. It's compatible with many Dewalt tools and has a convenient LED indicator to show the charge level. If you value convenience and efficiency, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The battery packs are a bit taller, by 0.4, than my dying DC9098S. I couldn't resist, opened them up and see why. The cells, which feature a very clean-looking installation, by the way, are considerably taller. I guess this means they are XRP-style larger capacity NICD cells, a good thing. Apart from the 3/8 plus extra height extra capacity, the packs fit absolutely perfectly on my DC70 drill, seamlessly exactly like the originals. They release exactly like the originals, they do not stick when attached, and when not in use the drill sits solidly balanced when set down after use. After a lot of research I ordered a 2-pack of the ANTRobut batteries to replace two of my old DC9096 battery packs. I am pleased to report that after using these for about a month, it seems to me that these are at least as good as the OEM Dewalt battery packs, and maybe even better. They take and hold a charge just as I expected them to, and they deliver a lot of power. For example, I have a timber framing project that required me to use my Dewalt impact driver to drive 18 self-tapping timber screws, 5 inches long and 1 4-inch diameter. I drove these to full depth embedment without drilling any pilot holes, and the wood I was driving into was very hard, 90-year-old Douglas fir. I thought this would surely run down a battery after 6 or 8 screws, but one fully charged battery drove all 18 screws and there was still some charge left on the battery. The replacement batteries were ordered and shortly thereafter were shipped. I received them on time as per schedule, then charged both batteries and tested both satisfactorily. This purchase saved me the cost of buying a new replacement drill and provides me with continued reliable use of my drill. Number 1. ANTRobut 2-pack 6500 mAh 18V battery. These batteries are a powerful replacement for your old ones. Get the job done faster and more efficiently with their high capacity. Enjoy extended runtime compared to your original NiCad batteries. You'll be able to work longer without interruption. Made with lithium-ion cells, they're lighter for easier handling and less fatigue. Experience fade-free power throughout your tasks. It's compatible with many Dewalt 18V tools, including models DC9096, DC9098, DC9099, and more. Seamlessly integrate them into your existing setup. The built-in fuel gauge lets you monitor the remaining power. Plus, they have an intelligent safety system for protection. Having an extra battery means no more downtime waiting for charging. Keep working continuously and finish projects faster. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This battery offers an incredible 6500 mAh capacity and is made with lightweight lithium cells. It also features a power indicator to track your battery life. If you need maximum runtime and convenience, this is the best choice for you. What people say. They charge quickly and seem to turn over drills at a higher RPM than the batteries, not Lion batteries. These hold a charge longer than my old OEM batteries and I have had no issues using my Dewalt chargers. The battery charge level indicator is a nice feature. Snaps in and out easier than OEM. Have not had one fall out yet. I am very happy that this works in my cordless nailers and has breathed new life into my old tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.